Choosing the right OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner can be confusing. Many tools only read basic codes, lack reset functions, or don't support all car systems. That's why modern advanced scanners are so important. They offer full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, ECU coding, and multiple reset services. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best OBD2 code readers of 2026 for both professionals and car enthusiasts. These tools help you quickly detect problems, save repair costs, and keep your vehicle in top condition. Let's get started. Number 5. KINGBOLEN Ediag Elite. The KINGBOLEN Ediag Elite 2026 is a powerful all-system diagnostic tool designed for advanced users and mechanics. It supports full vehicle system scanning, allowing you to read and clear fault codes from engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, and more. With 15-plus reset functions like oil reset, EPB, SAS, and TPMS, it covers most maintenance needs. It also supports bidirectional control for active testing of components. Lifetime free updates make it a great long-term investment. Compact, wireless, and easy to use via smartphone app. Number 4. ANCEL VD700. The ANCEL VD700 is specially designed for Volkswagen Group vehicles, including VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat. It offers full system diagnostics, helping you scan engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, and other modules with accuracy. It supports essential reset functions like oil service reset, EPB, SAS calibration, and TPMS reset. The interface is simple and user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. With strong compatibility and reliable performance, it's a great choice for VAG car owners who want dealer-level diagnostics at home. Number 3. OBDeleven Nextgen. The OBDeleven Nextgen is a smart Bluetooth OBD2 scanner designed mainly for VW, Audi, Skoda, and BMW vehicles. It connects easily to your Android or iOS device and turns your phone into a professional diagnostic tool. It supports advanced coding, customization, and one-click apps for quick functions. You can scan all systems, clear faults, and even activate hidden features in your car. Compact and portable, it's perfect for enthusiasts who want deeper control over vehicle settings without bulky equipment or complicated setups. Number 2. THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner with advanced features like DOIP, CAN-FD, ECU coding, and bidirectional control. It supports 35-plus reset functions, including oil reset, EPB, DPF, SAS, and more, making it suitable for modern vehicles. With lifetime free updates, it stays up to date with new car models. The wireless Bluetooth connection allows easy mobility during diagnostics. Its large display and fast system response make it ideal for workshops and serious car technicians who need deep-level vehicle analysis. Number 1. Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT PRO is a top-tier professional diagnostic scanner offering full system coverage and advanced bidirectional control. It supports ECU coding, active tests, and a wide range of reset services for modern vehicles. The Bluetooth connectivity provides wireless convenience, while the fast processor ensures smooth performance. It works with a wide variety of car brands globally, making it highly versatile. Designed for mechanics and advanced users, this tool delivers dealer-level diagnostics, accurate fault detection, and efficient repair solutions. These top 5 OBD2 scanners offer everything from basic code reading to advanced ECU coding and bidirectional control. Whether you're a beginner or professional mechanic, there's a perfect tool for your needs. Choose the right scanner and take full control of your vehicle diagnostics.